Hello, internet friends, and welcome to successfully completing a fuel tank. I'm gonna put that in air quotes. It looks like a complete fuel tank. We'll go with that. No, this has been a long time. I don't really want to go back and see when I started this. I'm gonna say December, and it is now June. So that's like 6 months to complete this. Nothing about it is hard, right? You hear a lot of people or on the forums talk about, oh, the pro seal and the thing and blah, blah. No, the hard part is time. Time was the hardest part of building the fuel tank because the sealant only has a working time of 1 to 2 hours ish. And yeah, so you need like a 3-hour time frame to be able to work on a tank. And for me, that's been very challenging, like with work and family. Finding 3 hours to be like, I'm going to go work on the fuel tank and not get interrupted, because once I mix that sealant, I cannot stop. I have to use that sealant. Yeah, that's been the biggest challenge of this. Nothing about this is hard. It's messy, but it's nothing about this is hard. So yeah, that's that's why it's taken so long. I am not sure if I will continue building fuel tanks. I think I will restructure my time. Like, I did have it in my mind that I wanted to get through the fuel tank before I started something else, which now that I've done, I think what I will do is continue on the fuselage so I can get in 1 hour a day and meet my goal of 1 hour a day of building, get back on track for that. And then on weekends, when I'm sure I can have 3 hours, then build the fuel tank. Maybe like weekend mornings, get up early and build and get that out of the way, and then have the rest of the day. The challenge has been, if I leave building for the end of the day, like by the end of the day I'm tired, and being tired is not the ideal time to build, because that's when you easily make mistakes, and then mistakes can cost you anywhere between $1 and $500, and and that's how you learn. You just throw money at things. So, okay, so this is, again, not hard, following the instructions, laying down a bead of sealant. You did or might have noticed that I mixed up the large tube, these sealant tubes. They come in multiple sizes. You got like a small one and a large one. This one, sealing the baffle on the back of the tank, definitely uses a large tube. I'll say that. I used almost all the sealant that I put in that tube, and I mixed up a healthy, like, more sealant than I thought was necessary. And nope, it was all necessary. So that would be my suggestion. If you're watching this video to figure out how to build your tank and seal a baffle, you need a whole tube of that stuff. So hopefully that's helpful to you. Yeah. You're not done once you put the baffle on. You still have to put on the Z brackets, and then rivet the skin to the ribs. So and the baffle. So if you're on this step, come join us. Or if you're not on this step, also come join us. Scan these QR codes. You get dropped into the chat groups, and we will see you there, and see you in the next video.